This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 and it might be the most powerful compact phone out there. I'm telling you why.
The S23 gets you all the flagship features in its compact size. The display here is a 6.1-inch 2x AMOLED unit which supports an adaptive refresh rate of 120Hz. From content to gaming or just scrolling, the experience is top-notch. It runs on Android 13 out of the box with One UI. A bit boring, yes, but it is stable and easy to understand. Under the hood is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 which is custom made for the S23 series. The performance is blazing fast.
The camera is really good.
The 50-megapixel primary camera can deliver some solid images. Here are some samples. The edge detection on portrait shots is very crisp. Then we have some samples for the telephoto lens as well.
You have to compromise in battery.
The 3900 mAh battery might not last an entire day and it does not support crazy fast charging speeds that we are used to in the competition.
What do you think about this? Comment down below. For more informative content, make sure to follow Business Insider India.